Welcome to KidsQuest from the Chattanooga Public Library with Olga and Shelley.
Have you ever been curious about tornadoes? Well, weather is usually not a big deal. If it's hot and sunny, we'll wear short sleeves and go play outside. If it's rainy, we'll slip on our rain boots and grab our umbrella. And we may even jump in a puddle or two. And if it's very cold outside, we'll put on our coats, gloves, and hats. But every once in a while, we get some extreme weather, like thunderstorms, snowstorms, even tornadoes. The scientists who study the weather are called meteorologists, and they spend a lot of time studying extreme weather. This is because extreme weather can cause a lot of damage. Today, we're going to find out about tornadoes. Tornadoes are columns of fast spinning air. They are also known as twisters because they turn and twist as they move. Tornadoes form from large thunderstorms, but not just any regular thunderstorm. They form in really huge, powerful, towering thunderstorms called supercells. Supercells can reach 50,000 feet. That's 9.5 miles. And they bring super strong winds, giant hailstorms, flooding, and huge flashes of lightning. But even with all this, supercells won't always bring tornadoes. This is what's needed for a tornado to form. Strong moving, warm air rises up to the supercells, while cool air falls along with rain or hail. This can cause spinning air currents inside the cloud. As it spins faster and faster, they form a funnel cloud. And if this funnel cloud touches the ground, we have a tornado. Most tornadoes last only a few minutes, then they disappear. But they can last longer than an hour. However, as soon as the temperature differences disappear or the moisture in the air dries up, the tornado is drawn back up into the clouds and all is calm. Well, now that you know all about tornadoes, let's do a fun activity called a tornado in a bottle. These are the supplies you will need: an empty water or soda bottle, some food coloring, some glitter, water, and 1 drop of dish soap. Begin by filling your water bottle 3/4 full of water. Next, we will add 1 tiny drop of dish soap. Definitely don't add too much dish soap. Next, we'll add 1 drop of food coloring, any color you want, followed by some glitter. Next, you want to seal your bottle very tight. You want to make sure no water is going to spill out when you turn it upside down. Turn your bottle upside down and spin it quickly. You don't want to shake it, spin it. It might take 1 or 2 tries to get this right. Spin it and watch your tornado go. Spin it and go. Have fun and stay curious.